Welcome to Tech Support Tuesday, and on today's show I'm going to go ahead and show you how to be able to move files on macOS Big Sur. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so if you go ahead and say right click on a file, you can go ahead and click on copy. And if you go ahead and let's just go ahead and create a new folder here, and this will be the folder I moved the file into. So now that we're in there, if we right click, you notice that there's only just a paste item. So now we went ahead and came up a level. Now you notice if I go ahead and try to click and drag it, it doesn't actually give us the option to be able to drag the item anywhere to be able to move it. So if we go ahead and right click on the item again, go to copy, then go into the folder that we want to put it into. If we right click, there is only a paste for copying it. So if you hold down Option and Command and press the letter V, when you paste it, it will actually move the file. So now if we go back up one level, you can see that it has been moved. We'll go back into the folder. We'll go ahead and right click on it and go to copy. Then go back and hold down Option and Command and press the letter V. Boom, now it's been moved. And go back into the folder and you can see that it is gone.
So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so we know that you mean it.